What's up everyone, Harry here, known as Trade Shop, and welcome back. And today we're going to look at Matic on Orion, so be sure to stick around for that. And it's going to be very, very interesting. Bitcoin having a heavy dump this morning, and interestingly, it's not looking the best. And I tell you why. It's because we've closed a 4 hour back within the range. I would have liked to seen it bounce at the top here at 58. And since we've closed the 4 hour back within the range, the 1 hour should be closed by now, and we can have, yep, 1 hour close bearish. And looks like we're gonna come down and fill this range, guys. Probably down to 56. That's the first target. Definitely looks like that we'll see some of these lower levels. And if you're looking at a 4 hour time frame, it doesn't really stop there. We could even pop all the way back down, unfortunately, to 55,000 somewhere down here, but we'll have to take it bit by bit. But yeah, it's looking like probably we come back down to, at least back here to 57 or 56,000 and fill this full range, unfortunately. If we do break this pivot here, then I think we'll come all the way back down to the 54,000 pivot, somewhere around here, 53. But guys, keep in mind on the higher time frames, I'm still really bullish, guys. Look, we closed the weekly extremely well. It's just the new weekly open, we're just creating a bottom wick, and we closed the weekly above the prior high. This means continuation for me. And if you're just looking at market structure, look in the past, sometimes we create these longer wicks, right? And that's essentially what Bitcoin is doing at the moment. It's kind of even retesting the high here. 2 day, I believe we're getting some sort of backfill. Yeah, as you see, 3 day will probably backfill, and 3 day backfill is here at 55,000. So, this is what it's shaping up to be. And I'm not bearish on the higher time frame. So, it's still looking extremely good, extremely healthy. On the lower time frames, yeah, I do think we pop down actually. I do think we come fill the range here at 56,000, or we go a bit sideways. It's been quite heavy dumping. So, we'll see what will happen, and that's basically what I have on Bitcoin. Let's get to these alts. Let's first look at Matic. Big news, big movements from Matic we've seen. Forgot the I. Let's go on Binance. So Matic, it's been having insane growth here. Let's look at the daily first. And for Matic, if we can close bullish at support like so, if we can close just even if we can actually close today above this high here, then immediately I'm looking for continuation. And some nice price targets for that continuation. I have it here actually. Some nice short-term targets, back up to all-time highs basically. And if we're taking like a long-term target, do we have anything that we can go off? We're probably starting to reach. Let's see if we did reach that target, probably from that push to here, so not really very, very useful at the moment. There's not enough really clean price data. It's just been straight up parabolic. Let's look at the lower time frames. Is there any trade opportunity? People can look at this as a descending triangle, which is technically a bearish pattern, but all it is if we do break this low here, which is also the daily low, and we close there on a daily, then yeah, I am looking for it to reverse a bit. But if we can actually break this high here, then possibly we could be looking for some more upside. But it's basically in a range. Looking at Stokes, they are crossed down, they are all down. Daily Stokes is down, been holding some really tight trend line here, which no, not really, to be honest. I'll take that back. 4 hour, it is cross up, got pretty deep down there. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for at the moment. No trade opportunities, but keep your eyes on it. Let's go and have a look at as well Orion. Uh, can we get, why can't we get Binance? Give me some Binance. Do I have it in this list here? Maybe if I do. Let's see if we just use the ORN. Yeah, there we go. That's weird. They don't allow you to do. So yeah, we did have our markups from last time, and I was saying if we do break below this level, then it will be bearish, and we did, and now we're continuing that bearish movement, moving down. I do think this is gonna pop down. All stocks moving down. Daily is looking like it wants to move down. So yeah, I do think we have some a bit of downside movement, but with their mainnet launch coming soon, we could expect, for this to be picked up. And based on a technical point of view, as long as we're holding this 15.9, 15.8 area, then I'm not bearish on the chart. But with that being said, I think I'll wrap it up on that. Remember, guys, take care, trade sharp, and see you tomorrow. Peace.